Twist.
Oh. There you go.
You gotta walk around, spray it all off, buddy. Get the front part. Nope, around the front. You gotta come around this way, get the front. Don't get your brother wet, man. Make sure you spray all in there good too. You can get closer. There you go. Don't forget this side right here. Ah! All right. Get your rim. Good job. All right, now we gotta spray some water in the bucket over here. Yeah, get it over here in the bucket. So talk to us. Describe what you just did.
I washed the motorcycle's water back and front and middle, and seatbelt, everything, and even this.
Good job. What's the next step?
Next step is washing.
All right.
Sponge.
Let's get to washing it.
All right.
Come on, Kaya. You can help us out, buddy.
All right, here we go.
Grab a sponge here. Dip it in there and start scrubbing.
I need more.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Scrub, scrub, scrub it, scrub, scrub.
Good job. Don't forget the sides. You got to get the sides. Kaya, you get one side. Mylan, you get the other. Go get some more water and soap.
All right, I will.
You guys are doing so good. Don't forget this part. Look at all this right here. Gotta get all that, everything.
And even the tires. I'll get the tires. The cap too.
It's called a fender.
Fender. The fender too.
Get right here inside the headlights. Pretty good. Get inside those. There you go.
There we go.
Good job,
And
Kaya.
the clock too.
Yep, that's called a speedometer.
The stopometer.
Speedometer. Get this right here. It's pretty dry.
I just watched this.
That's fine. Don't forget this side. You gotta get all this, all that plastic right there.
Okay, when we get done washing it, we gotta rebuild it.
We gotta start tearing it apart.
Yep. And I'll give my brother a ride. This will be fun. I'll make sure you won't fall off, all right?
Sounds like a great plan, Mylan. There you go. That's how you wash a bike. Get all down here, Kaya. Get all this. Get some more water and soap on your sponge. Then get all that down there. You too.
Here we go. This is pretty dry, isn't it?
Yes, it is. There you go. Good.
Really?
Right here. Get all down here. Gotta get all
gotta
that.
get the windows too.
Get more soap and water, Kaya.
I have a whole bunch.
Good. Get on this part of the tank right here, Mylan.
But I gotta get more soap and water.
Get as much as you like. The more, the better.
Here we go. No, let's go get all soda. I'm washing the inside.
Good job, Mylan. Be careful you don't cut yourself.
Alright, I won't. I'll make sure. I didn't cut myself.
Good job. Did you get the back fender?
No. But I did.
Right here. Back fender.
Right here?
Nope, the fender. Over the tire. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Now you're getting it. You guys are doing a great job.
Now, next step is let's do water.
You got to clean the wheels.
Oh, okay. I'll clean the front. I already cleaned the front wheel, but I have to
Good
do
job,
it
Kaya. Let me see your sponge. Let me show you how to clean the back wheel. Clean the back wheel like this.
Me?
Get inside the wheel. On the other side too. Oh yeah, there you go.
Next step is holding off now.
Okay, we're almost done. Okay, let me see this one more time. Good job, guys.
I did a fantastic job, did I?
You did a really fantastic job.
I know, because I know how to wash and ride. Yeah.
All right.
Me too.
All right. So, Micaiah, put your sponge in the bucket. Just drop it in there. Drop your sponge in there. Just drop it in there. There you go. Back up, Kaya. Your brother's gonna spray you. Come on. Turn it a little bit more, buddy. There you go. Yep, looks great. All right, good job. Okay. So, is that the end of step 1?
No, that's step 9. Next step 10 is.
Look this way. Talk to the camera.
The next step 10 is. I don't know.
We got to start tearing the bike down.
Oh, we gotta start tearing the bike down.
All right. That'll be window for video for next week. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Say like and subscribe.
Like it and subscribe. Like it and subscribe.
All right.
I need